before we get into this video, I just want to say I made an Instagram and I made a Snapchat account. I'm gonna need y'all to go run up them numbers, follow, share, do everything you can. We trying to go up. And I also made a temporary intro. I added a little touch to it, so that way it's not just a plain, my name pop up every time a video comes. I put a little touch on it, but that's only temporary. My official intro is not here yet. I am working on that for you guys, but I'm gonna show y'all my Instagram page so that way you guys can follow. Here it is. Let me see. My Instagram is AINTDATREK. Ain't that reek? Go check it out. My Snapchat's on here, my Twitter, and of course YouTube. So I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead, like, all that, follow, whoop, share. We trying to go up this year, man. All right, y'all can get back into this video. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Reed. We back with another video. We had another car vlog, you know what I'm saying? Or I should say car meet. This is what it is. I'm about to walk up there and see what's going on. As you can see, I parked the red eye right here with my boy Chris right here. You know what I'm saying? Got all the action going down there. So we about to get into this shit. bitches was making. So I'm getting food right now. I'm thinking me some McDonald's. Got me a 10-piece nugget. You know what I'm saying? With a banana smoothie. You know what I'm saying? Smoothie. I said smoothie, not smoothie. Smoothie. About to see what's up with the next spot. What's good, y'all? I'm back in the car again. We had to dip again from another spot, and then they were trying to do highway takeover. They did it for a little bit, but then 12 came. And then now we're going to another spot, trying to see what's going on tonight. We've just been driving all over town and stuff, but when I get situated, I'm gonna turn the camera back on for you. But when I get situated at the next spot or whatever, try to catch some action for y'all, so stay tuned. They ain't dropped no Addy yet. Huh? They ain't dropped an Addy yet.
You know the guy that pulled over there? That fucking blocked the whole road.
You said what? You talking about when we put out that one gas station? That's the one who blocked off the highway? So he the one who started everything. And they caught him. How they caught him? How the hell they caught him?
Probably somebody like brought down the fucking license plate or something.
For real? Hell no. You finna head out? I got Addy. Alright. He said he got Addy. We're finna see what's going on.
Damn, how I ain't get the Addy? We're not even, I don't even supposed to go out that way, but okay though. That's what y'all build the roads for. To use them. Oh, these niggas at an intersection.
We at a new spot. Had to slide from the cops on the last one. You got Mr. Vaughn Chronicles right here. What's it? Chronicles?
He got a Charger.
That's what, Swervo?
Yeah.
Slang that shit.
Damn, who finna fit?
Slang that bit right here. Slang that bit right here. He tweaking.
That shit don't got control.
Take that bitch off. Oh, I thought he finna put it back around.
Yes, what
the hell you get a flag from, bro? Nigga don't pull out a flag.